How to pay Switch2 Bill. First of all, you will need to sign up or log in to your Switch2 account on my.switch2.co.uk. There, once you're fully logged in, you want to click on Pay Now. Then you want to click on Pay My Full Account Balance. You can do pay another amount too if you want to. Then click on Next. Then you want to go ahead here on the payment confirmation, scroll down, then click on Confirm. Then what will happen is it will give you the option of different banking apps. So it's much easier to do this on your phone. So scroll to whatever banking app you have on your phone that has enough money to pay the bill. So it doesn't matter which one it is here. For instance, you can use Nationwide, whatever. It doesn't matter which one. Then it will go through and ask you what account you want to take your money from. Go ahead and then you'll need to log in with that, pick the account you want, click proceed. Then after that, it will say authentication has been successful. Then you should be able to see a message like this where it says payment pending. That's when you know it's done. So leave a like on the video for help, to subscribe for more helpful videos.